Here's the app called Manna Daily Bible Study. Level up, game, and face. Duolingo for Bible study. Bring God's Word to your screen. Start one verse every day. Make Bible study a game. Keep daily streak easily. Set weekly goal. Climb the devotion path with friends. Explore the Bible from big book to bite-sized lessons. The fastest way to study Bible in depth. Take real-time note for deep understanding. Explore Bible through a clear, structured journey. So pretty cool. And yeah, here you have it. Gamified learning made simple. Each day you'll face new missions designed to introduce key Bible passages and concepts. Devotion path with friends. Daily verse widget. Interactive dialogue learning. Structured progressive journey. Personalized learning experience. So kind of again like Duolingo for Bible app. So here you can just open it up and let's just there are some promo codes and then you can just start to see. Here is the onboarding. Just as an example. And then you can just customize plan or just select the plan. And then here you have it. So $40 or $11 per month, and then there's just you can add the widget, and then here's again kind of looks like Duolingo really, and then you just go select and start it from here, and you have Bible chat, and then you have all these features. Can you have start lessons, and again you can have the Bible here, and yeah, so that's kind of the idea of what you can have. And there's your account, and that's what it is. So try it out.